Looking to switch your Twitter profile to musician on PC? Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. Next, locate the button in the top right that says Edit Profile and click on it. This will take you to your profile settings. Scroll down the page until you find the option to edit Professional Profile. Click on this to access more detailed profile settings. Within the Professional Profile section, look for the category field and click on it. This is where you can specify your profile category. Now, type in Musician in the search bar and select it from the options provided. This will categorize your profile as a musician. Once you've selected musician as your category, don't forget to click on the Save button to apply the changes to your profile. Congratulations! You've successfully switched your Twitter profile to musician on PC. Now, your followers can easily identify your music-related identity. Enjoy connecting with your audience in this new professional capacity.